What is the to-do list for Mario Draghi just to get to March 31st?
Actually, the ECB has kind of frozen its monetary policy stance for 2018. They said that they would buy until September 18. They also said that they would never end it abruptly. So it probably means that the end of the net purchases is December. So it feels like plain sailing. They don't have to say much. They don't have to do much. The problem is that at the same time, the cycle continues to improve a lot. And even if inflation is still very far away from where the ECB would want it to be, you can see that the hawks are getting bolder and bolder. And not just the hawks, even centrists within the governing council want an early conversation on a change in language, a change in forward guidance. So I think that quite quickly into 2018, and probably by the spring actually of this year, they will have to revise the language. They will have to say that no matter where inflation is, QE will have to stop. They will have to depart from this open-ended nature of the program so far. And as they do this, the risk is that the market wakes up and starts pricing more rate hikes, not for this year, I don't think it's really on the cards, but for 2019. And the problem for Draghi is that at this stage, is the only thing he can do probably is slow down the process, try to win time, meeting after meeting, but down the road, they will have to change the language, they will have to toughen up.
Let's bring it over to the markets. Elsa Lignos, thrilled to match you with Gilles Moec this morning. And if I look at this chart, bring it up right now. I showed this chart yesterday. You know this, Elsa, the one-way bet on euro, which is 6 standard deviations out. If I go back to 2006, it's real simple. We've seen an explosion of a bet on a strong, strong euro. Are you going to push against that consensus bet, Elsa?
You know I'm going to. And I think in part it's because, there are a couple of things working against the euro at the moment. Clearly the economic data are a lot better than expected and have been improving for some time. But what we're missing is the mechanism to get paid for that better data. And as Gilles said, even rate hikes are not really a question for 2018, more a question for 2019. And we're starting from negative rates, to begin with. So for the whole course of 2018, the euro is going to be one of the lowest yielders out there, and that's not going to change.